तुम्हें किसने भेजा? Who sent you? Who sent you? निराश मत हो। Don't be upset. Don't be upset. मेरी आंखों में देखो। Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. आपकी आंखें लाल है। Your eyes are red. Your eyes are red. वो मेरे बगल में है। He is next to me. He is next to me. वो बाहर जा रहा है। He is going outside. He is going outside. वो मेरे कहने पर चलता है। He acts on my advice. He acts on my advice. अपना फ़ोन चालू रखो। Keep your phone on. Keep your phone on. मैं अपने गांव जा रहा हूँ। I am going to my village. I am going to my village. चलो बाहर घूमने चलते हैं। Let's go out for a walk. Let's go out for a walk. तुम तो कोशिश भी नहीं कर रहे थे। You were not even trying. You were not even trying. उसने तुम्हें उल्लू बना दिया। He tricked you. He tricked you. तुमने ये कहाँ सुना? Where did you hear that? Where did you hear that? उसने जानबूझकर मुझे मारा। He hit me intentionally. He hit me intentionally. मेरे नसीब में यही था। It was only in my luck. It was only in my luck. उसने मुझे मेरे पैसे नहीं लौटाए। She didn't give my money back. She didn't give my money back. इतने भोले मत बनो। Don't act so cute. Don't act so cute. जल्दी कदम बढ़ाओ। Quicken your steps. Quicken your steps. किसी की चुगली मत करो। Don't backbite anyone. Don't backbite anyone. तुम हमेशा मुसीबत खड़ी कर देते हो। You always cause trouble. You always cause trouble. उससे माफ़ी मांगो। Apologize to him. Apologize to him. दिल छोटा मत करो। Don't lose your heart. Don't lose your heart. तुम बहुत ज़िद्दी हो। You are so stubborn. You are so stubborn. वो बाइक से गिर गया। He fell off the bike. He fell off the bike. ये कोई भी कर सकता है। Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. चलो यहाँ से निकलते हैं। Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. मेरे पीछे आना बंद करो। Stop coming after me. Stop coming after me. मुझसे चालाकी मत करो। Don't get smart with me. Don't get smart with me. उम्मीद मत छोड़ना। Don't give up. Don't give up. वो यहाँ नहीं है। He is not here. He is not here. वो यहाँ भी नहीं है। He is not here either. He is not here either. ज़रा मेरी बात तो सुनो। Just hear me out. Just hear me out. ऐसा दोबारा नहीं होगा। It won't happen again. It won't happen again. मेरी कार खराब हो गई। My car broke down. My car broke down. वो कहाँ कुछ कहता है। He hardly even speak. He hardly even speak. उसने काम किया। She did the work. She did the work. इसे उसके ऊपर छोड़ दो। Leave it up to him. Leave it up to him. ये मुझसे ले लो। Take this from me. Take this from me. तुम इस मामले से दूर रहो। You stay out of this. You stay out of this. इसे अभी खत्म करो. Knock it off right now. Knock it off right now. मुझे कोई ऐतराज़ नहीं है. I have no objection. I have no objection. सब तुम्हारे जैसे नहीं होते. All are not like you. All are not like you. मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता. I still don't know. I still don't know. अपने पैरों को नीचे रखो. Keep your legs down. Keep your legs down. मेरे रास्ते में आना बंद करो. Stop getting in my way. Stop getting in my way. तुम क्या सुन रहे हो? What are you listening to? What are you listening to? इतने चिड़चिड़े मत हो. Don't be so grumpy. Don't be so grumpy. एक एक करके बोलो. Speak one by one. Speak one by one. मैं उससे मिलना चाहूँगी. I would like to meet him. I would like to meet him. आपके आगे कौन है? Who is ahead of you? Who is ahead of you? ये सब तुम्हारे कारण हुआ. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. मैंने आपकी मदद नहीं मांगी. I did not ask for your help. I did not ask for your help. उन्हें अंदर आने के लिए कहो. Tell them to come in. Tell them to come in. ये इतना आसान नहीं है. It's not that simple. It's not that simple. उसे अभी ठीक करो. Fix that right now. Fix that right now. वो आसानी से नहीं रोता. He doesn't cry easily. He doesn't cry easily. मेरा मुंह मत खुलवाओ. Don't make me say it. Don't make me say it. वो तुम्हारे पास आ रही है. She is coming to you. She is coming to you. मैं इसे कैसे जाने दूं? How should I let it go? How should I let it go? इसे अभी नीचे रखो. Put it down now. Put it down now. वो कहाँ खड़ी है? Where she is standing. Where she is standing. आपके पीछे कौन है? Who is behind you? Who is behind you? मैंने फैसला कर लिया. I made up my mind. I made up my mind. मैं अब बच्ची नहीं हूँ. I am not a kid anymore. I am not a kid anymore. तुम भी कम नहीं हो. You are no less. You are no less. वो तुम्हारा कौन है? Who is he to you? Who is he to you? तुमने मुझे मुसीबत में डाल दिया. You got me into trouble. You got me into trouble. किसी को बताना नहीं. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. उन्हें तुम पर नाज होता. He would be proud of you. He would be proud of you. मैं खुद जा सकता हूँ. I can go by myself. I can go by myself. मुझे आज रात देर हो जाएगी. I'm going to be late tonight. I'm going to be late tonight. मैं बहुत दबाव में हूँ. I am under a lot of pressure. I am under a lot of pressure. मुझे लगा कि आपको पता होगा. I thought you knew that. I thought you knew that. इतना हैरानी से मत देखो. Don't look so surprised. Don't look so surprised. मुझे धूल से एलर्जी है. I am allergic to dust. I am allergic to dust. वो उसे लंच पर ले गया. He took her to lunch. He took her to lunch. तुम सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचते हो. You only think of yourself. You only think of yourself. Now it's your turn. नंबर 1, आपके पीछे कौन है. नंबर 2, उसे अभी ठीक करो. इन दोनों सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे कमेंट करके अपना आंसर ज़रूर बताएं एंड साथ ही अपना वैल्यूएबल फीडबैक देना ना भूलें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.